Good morning, students. Let's start today's class with Brahmanad. Shanti. Swastha. Before going to discuss today's lesson, I would like to recapitulate what we had studied in the previous classes with some question and answers. What kind of problem are created by drunken drivers? Drunken drivers drive their vehicles too carelessly in rash and negligent way. They are often drive their vehicles with overspeed and risk their own lives as well as the lives of other persons on the road. Second question, what kind of vehicles the underage people can drive? As per the rule of the government, the underage people can drive a vehicle of 50cc engine with the permission of their parents. What is the rule to drive a commercial vehicle? To drive a commercial vehicle, a person should be qualified and his age must be above 20 years and he must possess a driving license to drive a commercial vehicle. What do you mean by distracted driving? Distracted driving means drivers drive using or speaking on cell phones or texting on cell phones, talking to other persons and listening to loud music, etc. are called distracted driving. How do vehicles risk others' lives on the road? We have studied the vehicles run on the road which are unsafe and poorly kept. They risk the life of the drivers as well as the life of other people on the road. This is what we studied in the previous classes, and now we will read the fifth and sixth point or last 2 points of this lesson. I would advise you to see the pages sent to you through the WhatsApp and follow the reading. Road Safety Week program is also gives importance on how to prevent accidents from these causes. The local authorities should check the drivers of all the vehicles and motorcycles for cases of drunken driving. Strict government orders must be issued to the license issuing authorities concerned for taking strong steps while issuing licenses. Persons caught talking or texting on cell phones must be fined heavily or punished not to repeat such violations. Anyone without a helmet or not wearing a seat belt must be fined. Drivers must be cautioned by road signs and speed limits to avoid mishaps on the road. The fitness certificate should be made compulsory for every vehicle running on road, and no tolerance should be made towards the violation of road safety rules. Road Safety Week is an opportunity for us to recognize the preciousness of life and to make people understand what could be done to save our own life as well as the life of others. This is the fifth and sixth point of the lesson Road Safety Week. I have collected some of the difficult words for you, but before going to discuss, I would advise you to read the both points aloud once. Very good. Prevent. Verb use means to avoid or stop doing something. An example, we must prevent the cancer from spreading. Important. Although you know the word, I wrote the words to know the adjective use and noun use of the words. Important is adjective use. Students should be given the important questions. Importance is noun use. What is the importance of well-balanced diet? Concerned means connected. Example, all the students concerned in this case will be punished. Repeat. Verb use to say or to perform. She kept repeating her request. Cautioned means verb use, that means warned strongly. The bikers are cautioned to run their vehicles in limited speed. Mishaps, noun use, bad luck. Mishaps means bad luck or an example of misfortune. Compulsory, adjective use, required by law. Example, in most of the schools, physical education is made compulsory. Compulsion, noun use, there should be no compulsion for the entry into the park. Preciousness, noun use, means valuable or costly. This is all about the difficult words collected for you from these two paragraphs. Now you are all advised to read the both paragraphs silently once. Road Safety Week program also gives importance on how to prevent accidents from these causes. It gives importance on how to prevent accidents. The local authorities should check the drivers of all the vehicles and motorcycles for cases of drunken driving. Local authorities, we have already studied in the previous paragraphs, local authorities should check the drivers of all the vehicles and motorcycles for cases of drunken driving. Strict government orders must be issued to the license issuing authorities concerned for taking strong steps while issuing license. Government should order the license issuing authorities to provide license strictly to those persons who are away from drinking wine or alcohol, etc. Persons caught talking or texting on cell phones must be fined heavily or punished not to repeat such violations. Sometimes persons drive their vehicles talking on cell phones or texting in cell phones. They must be fined heavily or punished so that they would not repeat the same in future. Anyone without helmet or not wearing a seat belt must be fined. Without wearing helmets or without wearing seat belts, the drivers must be fined. Drivers must be cautioned by road signs and speed limits to avoid mishaps, misfortune or bad lucks. To avoid misfortunes or bad lucks, the drivers must be warned strongly or cautioned by road signs and speed limits. They should limit their speed and they should obey all the road signs given for them on the road. The fitness certificate should be made compulsory for every vehicle running on road. Fitness certificate, whether the vehicle is fit to run on the road or not, a certificate must be given to them and it should be made compulsory. And no tolerance should be made towards the violation of road safety rules. There is no excuse for the drivers who violate the rules. Road Safety Week is an opportunity for us to recognize the preciousness of life, the valuable of life, the importance of life. They should is a chance or opportunity for all of us, and to make people understand what could be done to save our own life as well as the life of others. The Road Safety Week should make the people understand, they should understand what could be done to save our own life as well as the life of other persons on the road. This is the explanation given to you about the last 2 points. Let us discuss some of the question and answers from the last 2 points. What should be the role of local authorities? The local authorities should check the license of all vehicles and motorcyclists for drunken driving. What type of orders should be done to the license issuing authorities? Orders should be done to the license issuing authorities to take strong steps while issuing license. What is the rule for the drivers who talk or text or listen loud music? There are strong rules for the persons who drive their vehicles and talk on cell phones or text on cell phones or listen loud music. Strong rules are there for them, and they should be fined heavily or punished not to repeat the same in future of their life. This is all about the class today. Hope you will understand everything and read the whole lesson again once. We will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.